I don't know what it is about this spot with this FIMI X8, but it was doing that same thing again, you know, losing them satellites. So I don't know what the story is with this place. I don't know. I'm gonna cut the video. Anyway, it was doing that same thing where it was dropping the satellites and it was hanging up a little bit. I just flew it around. Actually, I just went around the building right here. I just wanted to see what would happen. But it was doing that same thing as it did when I was at this spot last time. Because when I did it over at Pioneer Park, it didn't do that the last time I flew it. You know, it held the satellites at like 17 or whatever. But, you know, again, over here, for some reason, it loses them. It went up to 12, 14, and then was clear to go, you know, got out of the yellow, and then it dropped back again down to 10 and back up again to but see, if you want to do any intelligent flight modes, you can't have that dropping out like that, because it stops the intelligent flight mode, you know, dead in its tracks. And then if you can't see the drone, then you're screwed, unless you want to just hit the return to home. But if it loses that signal, then you're not going to be able to do that either. So I don't know how many more times I'm going to be bringing this thing over here, that's for sure. Might save it for other places. All right guys, I'll talk to you later.